Did you want to cover this first part?
Yeah. I'll go.
Sure.
Thank you guys for coming out. We are VDSIG.
Yes.
Who are we? Well, I'm Lissette. We have Erric, Yanelin, Kasra, Connor. A little bit about what we do. Okay, so what's the most frustrating thing you guys have ever experienced? For us, it's holding on the phone. Did you know that annually you hold on the phone for 13 hours? Yeah, you probably never thought of that. And with that, you're going through different levels of verification when you have a problem and you're trying to get to a solution. It can be very frustrating. Okay, so VDSIG, what does it stand for? So VDSIG is a voice digital signature identification. Our technology consists of voice recognition software that utilizes RSA encryption to ensure shorter hold times and more secure encounters with confidential information on calls. Our technology is time-saving, effective, it's secure, and most of all, it's backed with data animosity. Here's Erric to tell you a little more about that.
Okay, the next slide.
So really quick, well, before we talk to Erric over here. So we have a graph here of how much time is being saved with our technology. As you can see, we're saving a lot. A lot of hours are being saved. For 1 million users, over 30,000 hours are being saved. Okay, and then here we have our website. We went ahead and made a mock-up for you guys, so you can take a look. This would be our login page. This would be where you create your account. And then how are we going to monetize this? Well, we created a pricing scheme over here. You would get a 30-day free trial.
Cool.
All right, and how does it work? So the company is going to be the one who signs up, and they're going to get access to the voice or phrase that the user puts into our system, and then that grants access. Okay, so the user, so what's the user seeing on their side? So the user signs up, their voice recognition or phrase gets encrypted, and then once they use it and they're on the phone, they're giving somebody a call, they say, "Hi, my name is Lissette, this is my key phrase," and then they get a speech-to-text confirmation sent to them as soon as they say their phrase. And then they get access granted, and they're able to talk to someone right away. And then here's like a little demo of us using that.
Hi, my name is Deza, and my phrase is, "Sully is the cutest."
So it's a little bit low, but basically it's saying, "Hi, my name is Lissette Deza," and then my phrase is, "Sully is the cutest."
All right, I appreciate that high-level overview, but this, on more technical side, we were making a GUI for it. So a user would come in, they'd sign up, and they would store some information like a social security, date of birth, or maybe address. And from there, we would connect and encrypt that with a symmetric key. So that would encrypt the data with a key, and then we would use asymmetric encryption to encrypt that key, which can unlock the data. And that's done using the company's public key, and then it's stored onto a smart contract, while the information that's encrypted with the symmetric key is stored on the IPFS. And so once the user grants access to the company can then use their private key to asymmetrically decrypt our user's key, and they can decrypt the information that's on the IPFS that way, and it's given back to the company as secure data that not even we would have access to. So that was just some of the back-end code for encrypting the key. And then it would go into, the company would get access from the IPFS, and then they would play that voice demo, which would be their digital voice signature. So that wraps up our pitch. Is there any questions?